Good afternoon, everybody. 8/20 of 2017. I have a daily chart called the GLD Spider Gold Trust. So, what I want everyone to see is that we're at major tops at resistance levels. We've had a very good breakout uh, at these levels where we actually started. I'll just keep you really super up to date. That low right there, as far as price goes, was 114.83, and we have continued to go all the way up here where this was a top reversal right here, and this was also a top reversal right here. So basically what's going to happen is, I'll show you, this is what we're going to be doing, and we're going to look at buying put options on it, because when we hit these major resistance levels, we get those reversals. We hit these major doji top reversals that happen right here. And now this is going to be a signal as to how these movements have happened and what are they, what is the main reason behind it. Well, North Korea helped push it up. This is the daily chart right now, and we're reaching an overbought area as far as the daily chart goes. On the weekly chart, we can clearly see that this particular area is a major resistance level. And this was a top. That's up above here. The current trend line, there's another one that would go right here. And we'll put it right there if it'll take it. That's going to be the major line, because you can see where that reversal was on the weekly chart. And now when we take a look at the broader trend on a weekly, we are extremely bullish on the chart on a weekly, and here's all the reasons why. We have come and rallied up above all of these weekly moving averages. The 10-week is at 119. The 40-week is at 117. We have a 118 50-week moving average. And these are big 100-week moving averages. And I'm going to blow it up right here. And we can clearly see the 50, all of them moving average up above here. We know that that 124 on a weekly is going to be extremely resistance. And one thing about the top, as going into this next week, you can see this right here. And there's that top. It's going to be right there. And I can also tell you that we're going to take a look at the put and call charts on here based on a resistance level. And I'm going to show that right now. If I go to the option pit, which I'm in, and these are going to be the 125 puts that are in the money. And the 125 puts are deflated. They're not inflated at all. I mean, yeah, they were up here at ridiculous highs, and they were over here. Remember, this is a daily put chart. And it's how to buy puts, because the GLD is at major resistance level. And that's the 125 put. The 122 put option is down here. I mean, this one here is totally deflated, and it's $1.24. And we're going to be looking at this position. And this, once again, is the put chart on a daily put chart. 99% of traders have never seen them. Now, let's take a look at the 122 call. 122 call chart. These things are up here at the moon. And I will tell all of my bigger traders, again, to have all the traders in our network understand that these are inflated. These are inflated 122 call. When I go to the 120 call on the GLD, these are not going to stay up here either. And it's impossible. And they've gone straight up from the values that we had over here. And once again, when they get inflated, they go down. Now we're really inflated, and they were selling into that, taking profits. The 125 call up and out of the money is right about here. And it was a good purchase down here at 15, 20 cents, I can tell you. And you see, so this side of the market on the 125 call, up and out of the money. And when I look at trading a 126 put option that's totally deflated, that is actually in the money and totally deflated down here at its lows. I mean, the lows here were $3.50. That's in the money 126 put option 127, put option in the 125. We got a clear roadmap as to how things look when we take a look back here. This is the major reversal top on the GLD.